Hey everyone, Tom Lavolsi with CTS coming at you live from Stark Enterprises with Tony Stark. That's probably what it looks like in the background. This is actually Align Technologies East Coast headquarters. I'm joined by Michael McMinn, the mastermind of all of this. Wanted to sit down with Michael and get his thoughts on the design of the facility, how it's going. You know, are you getting the results from this facility? And yeah, without further ado, Michael, good to have you.
It's been a great project coming. It's great to be here with you today to see the doors open all the way and the technology come to life. It's I think, as you can see and as you know firsthand, it's a beautiful space.
CTS, we do this all over the place. This is a different project, right? For us, this is the holy grail. I mean, this has everything from interactivity, from the second you walk into this experience center all the way to the back. It's very well thought out. There's technology all over the place. In my opinion, the days of building a cookie cutter office space, they're over. If you want to keep and retain top talent, it's going to take facilities like this. So was that in your mind when you guys started the design process for this?
Ultimately, Tom, when we started this project, it was started with the full intent of creating a best-in-class, world-class center where doctors can come learn hands-on to give brighter and more beautiful smiles to patients across the world.
You know, another really cool thing that came out of this project and kind of enhanced the relationship between two organizations was your willingness and even desire to have a dedicated full-time person on staff to manage this. Because I mean, this is a very high-tech space with a lot of high touch. What was your thoughts and how beneficial has it been to have that full-time support and the layer of customer service?
A project never ends when it ends. It just begins a new life, right? So the completion of the project in phase one is the build, the design, and the deployment. The second phase of the project is the deployment and the ongoing operation of the project, right? And it's easy to think sort of one chapter closes, the building is complete, the improvements are made, we move on, we hand it over the fence and someone else takes it over, right? That's sort of, I think, yesterday's way of thinking. For us here, we realize that this is an investment we made. It needs to operate efficiently, it needs to operate effectively, and it needs to operate predictably, right? And in order for us to do that and have little interruption when we're doing it, we need to make sure that we have an efficient operator, an effective operator, and a predictably reliant operator. But really what's powering the center for us is a full-time person that's from CTS, that's in our building every day working with our team. And I think what we ultimately get out of that is those three things, right? And we know that if there is a problem, there's a powerful team behind them that can come in and execute any changes or modifications that are required. But I would say to you, ultimately, it's trusting your partner and trusting their people.
So that same mentality, right? That outside the box thinking, right? At the end of the day, as an integrator, that's what we're always trying to present, right? The old historic days, whether again it be from the how you design your facilities, all the way to procurement options and things. We have a subscription option that we're rolling out soon. It takes clients like yourself to help drive that change, and hopefully, when other folks hear and see this space, it'll start to have some trickle down in the end user community. So again, thankful for everything you guys have done, and thanks for your time today.
Cheers, Tom.
Thank you. Cheers to you.